Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to utilize Countif in the desired task, that is attendance. As you can see here, 10 different students attendance are marked for 5 days. If I want to check the real-time attendance position of the particular student, how I can incorporate Countif formula in this particular scenario. So you can see there is a just change the format. Yeah, these are the four things we will be calculating for a student wise, and this is for class wise. For each day, what is the total number of how many students were present, how many students were absent for each day, and this is about the student point of view. Each student, how many classes he has attended or she has attended, and what is the attendance position. So in this scenario, using the Countif, we can calculate the total number of classes present and absent. So I will type equal to Countif. Since we are going to use this for the future as well, I am selecting the entire range. So I'm selecting all the 11 classes range. 5 classes are taken, 6 more classes to go. So I'm selecting this day 1 to day 11 range. Comma, I'm not locking this range because it should be it should be dynamic since I'm going to drag the formula for the upcoming students. The criteria is same, total present. If the cell contains P, means the particular student is present in that particular class. A means obviously that student is absent. So I will mention the condition in double quote. I will mention it as sorry. I will mention it as P. Total present column. So the condition is P. The criteria is P. Total, the cell, if the cell contains the value P. Obviously, there are 3 classes out of 5. The student was present. So I should get the value 3 as the answer. You check, yes. So I got the value 3. Now I can easily drag this formula for rest of the 9 students. You can see here Rahul Kumar 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 classes he is present. Same way Akash Singh was present for all the 5 classes. So this way we can use Countif formula to calculate the attendance. Same way I can take total absent. So formula will be Countif if this range contains the letter A. Sorry, again I missed it. The letter A means absent only we have to calculate. So if the cell contains letter A, the answer in this particular scenario it should be 2. We'll check. Yes, I am getting total absent 2 for Priya Sharma. We'll drag the formula for other 9 students and apply that same formula. For Gauri Joshi, it should be 2 again. For Deepika Mehta, it should be 1. So we are getting same. Now, what is the total class? It is a simple logic. If you add total present plus total absent, it should be 5. Otherwise, equal to count A for a given range. Then also we can get the same answer. So you can use count A. Either you can use total present plus total absent, or you can take count A formula and select all the ranges. How this count A formula works? Count A formula counts if that particular cell contains any alphabet, whether it is in small case or uppercase. It will count only the alphabet, not the numbers. So it will count C3 to M3. So in that way also we can get the formula. So I will drag this formula for rest of the cells. Okay. Now percentage. So it is a general thing. Common total present divided by total class is the percentage. So 3 divided by 5. Whenever you calculate percentage, better don't multiply by 100 in the formula. You change the cell format to percentage, that is the better one. So don't mention into 100, we will not get percentage symbol. So keep it in decimal point. Then go to home tab. In home tab, we are having percentage symbol. Click on that, we got 60%. If you want to know the decimal places, you can have this option, increase and decrease decimal. I want 2 decimal places, so I will click on that, and again I will adjust the column width. So 60%, 60.00, and I will drag it for rest of the 9 students. So this is how we can get the percentage. So don't mention into 100 in the formula. Just go to format cell and make it as percentage. Then same thing class wise. Now this is whatever we have discussed. This is student wise, right? So now if you want to calculate from class point of view, class wise, so I can use same Countif formula. Count if the cell range contains the letter P. Count if the cell range contains letter P. 7 students were present. Again, I will use count if that particular range contain sorry contains letter A. 3 students. Total, we are having 10 students. Let me just give some serial numbers for this. Yeah, total 10 students were there. 7 were present, 3 were absent. So you can see 1, 2, 3. 3 students were absent. That is how we can get the total present, total absent for each class. Now, since I didn't lock the range anywhere here, because I am going to drag this for rest of the classes. So you can see we can get 6, 4, 6 were present, 4 were absent, 7P and 3As are there in day 3. Like this, we can get real time values. Now, if since I have taken these blank cells also in my range, anymore if I mark attendance, suppose I take randomly mention, so you can see the real time position, attendance position of the student. So this is how we can use this Countif function, only one formula for marking the attendance and calculating the real time attendance position. Thanks for